This is the youngest guy at the meet, Chris, with his monster van with this cheater lift kit. Fawn's Point. I told him to lead. I heard he's a little crazy. Let's see if he goes 100 miles per hour right now. All right, this is my buddy Chris. How tall are you, man?
I'm 6'2".
6'2", okay. 6'2", I'm on a Well-Tec lift kit with 33-inch tires, just your standard Baja grocery getter. Yep. I'm gonna show you guys how his van looks. All right, this is Chris's van. See the perspective now? So let's ignore the turtle top and just look at that. Look at the height difference. How did he achieve all this lift?
I got 35-inch tires.
That's gonna help, having 35s.
5-inch Well-Tec Designs lift.
But here's the thing.
And then
here's the secret.
A 2-inch body lift because it was an old wheelchair van. And they lowered the floor.
There it is. This is the thing. This is why he has a mega lift, man. And I've always said, why do people not put more body lifts on these vans? I know it doesn't change the suspension, but it's just taller and cool.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
So show the former handicap or what was it?
It was a wheelchair van.
Wheelchair van. So here's another thing that makes his van a little different. Look at that floor. So even though it has a small turtle top and he's 6'2", he could still stand up straight because this floor is lowered so much. There you go. So that's why this guy has the mega lift. You know, I want to be the crazy guy that combines action van suspension with Well-Tec. Who's gonna do it for me? Get the action van brackets with the Well-Tec bent beams. What is that? A 9-inch lift with the body lift, 11-inch lift.
There you go.
There you go. That's Chris's van. You're gonna see. I'm gonna combine all our footage together. This is the MVP right here. He might have the longest video. For the 3 people that care about technicalities, a lot of people don't like body lifts because it's gonna have, since the body's lifted, it's gonna have that ugly gap with the bumper. That's why a lot of people hate lifting trucks with body lifts. But he told me something very interesting about this body lift conversion. What did they do with this, man?
So since they wanted the bumpers to stay stock height, they actually cut the frame and welded it 2 inches higher with all these extra supports so that the stock bumper looks like it's the same height as stock, even though it has a 2-inch body lift.
Yep, so it didn't have that weird gap.
No, it had no
Nice.
gap. It looked completely stock from the factory, even though it had that body lift.
So even though when you got this thing stock height, it was still 2 inches taller because of the body lift on the inside. Cool.
I was actually able to fit 35s on it with just the 2-inch body lift.
Nice. Right away, man. Let me slap 35s on this thing. There it is, guys. Very cool. And this was a $6,000 conversion. He has the receipts. So it cost $6,000 to body lift this thing and lower the floor. One more time. And this is why I try to get you guys out to the meet. There you go. Just a bed. That's it. That's all you need. Some people don't even need a bed. I'll show you guys that in the playlist. All kinds of van builds you guys are going to see, or non-builds.
You know, everything should go smooth.
I heard about this guy at the meet I didn't go to. This is the MVP right here.
Oh, yeah.
That's you they pull out of here when you come back.
Nah, it's not for recovery. I get him out.
MVP. What's up, Perk?
Hey, how's it going?
Everybody stop. I don't know. He likes to drive backwards.
Okay, crazy.
That kid's crazy. See you later, man.
Step up to the right.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I said this kid's crazy. Instead of drifting Miatas and Corvettes, he's drifting a van. This is me and Chris just having a good time while everyone's out back there somewhere. 5.4, 6.8 V10, V8, ready? 1, 2, 3. Man, I love this kid. Good kid. You know what? To all you 19-year-olds out there, get into lifted vans. They're awesome. This youngster driving a lifted van instead of a sports car.
Gotta have some fun, man.
That's fun, man. And we get to go camping.
There you go, that's even better.
Good morning. Lifted van meet. November 2025. Last day. We got some rain, unfortunately, the first 2 days, but we were still able to make it out here. That's Chris, MVP. MVP! Is this another van meet going on here? I see a transit there. Bunch of sprinters. 2 years in a row, we run into another meet. Lifted van meet, November 2025. And look at what we have here.